Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss Test 18 Current Affairs. This is the last test from Eduteria Current Affairs 2021. So thanks for having me. Now we will look to the some gems, some important topics or questions I have discovered in this test. First slide is Quad countries related. We have discussed many times that Quad countries are unofficial group of 4 countries. Unofficial group of 4 countries, and those 4 countries are India, India, America, Japan, Australia. Now the Quad countries here to counter the China. China, especially in South China Sea or Navy area. Japan and Australia. This is an informal group, and what they do, they every year do Malabar exercise, a navy exercise, Malabar exercise situated near Kerala. Malabar exercise every year by these 4 Quad nations. And this is the in 2021 this was the first time there was in-person leader summit. All countries prime minister and president were there with video conferencing, and host country was America. Joe Biden was the host, and there was first in-person leader meeting that happened in America. Formally they met for the first time and discussed. So Quad countries, combination of 4 countries: India, America, Japan and Australia. It is just to counter the navy might of China. Now India do 2+2 exercise. 2+2 exercise means कि 2 ministers from India and 2 ministers from other countries, and those 2 ministers are defense minister, means our Rajnath Singh, defense minister, and foreign minister. Foreign minister. Foreign minister. They meet annually to have 2+2 exercise or 2+2 dialogue. Okay. So India do 2+2 exercise with all these 3 Quad nation country, with United States of America, Japan and Australia. But apart from these, India also 2+2 exercise with Russia. So it is also an important question, with which country India do 2+2 dialogue, which is not a part of Quad nation. So Russia is not a part of Quad nation, but India do 2+2 exercise with Russia too. First in-person leader summit happened in USA, and every year they do Malabar exercise. All 4 countries navy ship comes and they practice for the war and everything. So Quad countries, this is an unofficial group, not official. There is no headquarter or charter etc. Unofficial group, it is just to counter the influence of China in sea region, because China is showing his authority in especially in South China Sea, and they are also trying to enter into Indian Ocean. So India is also concerned. So Quad country to counter China. Next slide. Next is Yellow Revolution related. The Yellow Revolution is basically related to oil revolution. Edible oil revolution is known as Yellow Revolution. There were green revolution related to agriculture, then white revolution related to milk. Just like that, Yellow Revolution is related to oil. And the Globe Oil India Lifetime Achievement Award. Globe Oil India means edible oil group, which gives the Lifetime Achievement Award 2021. This was given to this person. His name is Dinesh Sahara. Dinesh Sahara. You must have heard the name Ruchi Soya, because Ruchi Soya share price has been skyrocketing after buy by Baba Ramdev company. Its share has risen from 40 rupees to 1000 rupees. So it is very much is news. And Dinesh Sahara was the founder of Ruchi Soya company, and he made the Madhya Pradesh the chief center of soybean production. So he has very important role in India's Yellow Revolution, edible oil revolution. and so for that reason Dinesh Sahara was given lifetime achievement award by Globe Oil India. Okay, Dinesh Sahara. Next question, next slide is related to GI tag. So question is Judima rice wine made up of Judima rice has been given GI tag. It is from which state? So Judima rice wine is from Assam, and there is a tribe, Dimasa tribe, which lives in Assam, that makes this wine, Judima rice wine, by Dimasa tribe, and it is situated near Assam and Nagaland border. This is Assam, then Arunachal Pradesh, then here is Nagaland. They are situated here near here, Dimasa tribe, and they make Judima rice wine, and it has been given GI tag, geographical indication tag. So one more, Judima rice wine. Okay. Next, Judima rice wine is from Assam. Now we are summarizing some facts from Assam we have read recently in our videos. So Assam's chief minister, we all know. Assam chief minister is Himanta Biswas Sarma, very big leader, always in the news for attacking Congress. He was earlier in Congress party. Chief Minister Himanta Biswas Sarma. And Assam two wildlife sanctuary and reserve has been given national park status, and those are Dehing Patkai and Ramona Reserve. They have now become national park. They have now become national park. Total number of national park in Assam, 7. And these two are the recent, 6th and 7th. Dehing Patkai was 6th to become national park. Then Ramona Reserve also become the national park. This we have already read. Okay. And next we have scheme. We have read the scheme Arundhati Gold Scheme. Arundhati Gold Scheme is in Assam. In this scheme, what happens? The newlywed couple given 40,000 rupees for buying gold by the government. You have to register your marriage in the court, then you have to apply online, and you will get 40,000 for gold. That scheme is known as Arundhati Gold Scheme, and this scheme is in Assam. And one more important question, first genetically modified rubber sapling is planted in Assam for trial basis. Assam. And which is the highest producer of rubber? So Kerala is the highest producer of rubber, and genetically modified rubber is first time experimented in Assam. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswas Sarma from BJP. And there is one national park, Kaziranga National Park, which has been provided with satellite phone. These facts we have read from Assam district. Now going to the next slide. Next slide is most probably GI tag related. Few GI tag we have recently read. In this video we have seen Judima rice wine, where? Assam. Judima rice wine, Assam. Then Vada Kolam rice and white onion is Maharashtra. And Maharashtra is the highest producer of white onion. And white onion of Maharashtra has been given GI tag. And Sarpura and Sarvaja Mithai of Bengal has been also given GI tag recently. These are recent GI tag, that's why these are important, because BPSC asks direct question ki this GI tag product is from which state. So Judima rice wine, Assam. Vada Kolam rice and white onion, Maharashtra. Sarpura and Sarvaja Mithai from Bengal. Next slide. Next slide is theme related. I have tried to compile some recent theme. Important theme. World Tourism Day 2021 theme was Tourism for Inclusive Growth. Okay. World Environment Day date is important. World Environment is celebrated in 5 June, 5th of June, World Environment Day. And that theme of 2021 World Environment Day was ecosystem restoration of ecosystem. Then International Yoga Day always is in news because our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji give too much emphasis on yoga. Every year he do yoga and all the video news is full of yoga. 21 June is celebrated as International Yoga Day worldwide, and the theme of the International Yoga Day was yoga for well-being. And also recently a new app was launched for yoga by government. That app name is M Yoga. And also 15th August theme, 15th August 2021 theme, 15th August 2021 theme was Nation First, Always First. These we have already discussed, we are just revising. Only the newest theme was World Tourism Day theme, tourism for inclusive growth. Next slide is appointment, recent appointment. So in this test we are going to see All India Management Association, All India Management Association chairman या president is C.K. Ranganathan. C.K. Ranganathan is related to Kelvin Care Company. All India Management Association basically says to the college that this type of degree, management degree should be provided, this type of degrees are valid. So it is an important association, and the chairman or president is C.K. Ranganathan. He is also the Kelvin Care CMD. And in previous video we have seen Indian Steel Association secretary, most important post, Ashok Sahai. Okay, Confederation of Indian Industry. These are pressure group. They form the pressure on government to change the rules, or they go and show their proposal that this should be done. So these are pressure groups. CII, FICCI industry, IT industry related pressure group name is NASCOM. NASCOM president is Debjani Ghosh. FICCI industry, Harshvardhan Neotia. CII, Confederation of Indian Industry, President T.V. Narendran, also the Chief Executive Officer of Tata Steel. Just look at the name once. If in exam the question comes, then you can remember that this name has been read by me and you can solve this question. Otherwise you can't remember all such names. Okay, next is oceans related. Recently what happened, there were 4 oceans earlier, but now there has been a new ocean that has been recognized. So earlier there were 4. First one is Indian Ocean, second one is Pacific Ocean, third is Atlantic Ocean, fourth is Arctic Ocean. Now there is 5th ocean, Southern Ocean. It has been also recognized as Ocean, Mahasagar. Sea means Sagar, ocean means Mahasagar. Now there are 5 oceans in the world. Okay, Indian Ocean, then Atlantic Ocean, then Pacific Ocean. Now in this test there is also a question, who has become the first woman pilot to cross Atlantic Ocean, first world pilot. So that her name is first woman pilot. Her name is related to some movie. Arohi Pandit. Arohi was the name in the movie Asiki 2. Arohi Pandit has become the first woman pilot to cross Atlantic Ocean solo. Arohi Pandit. Now there are 5 oceans: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. This is Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America. There is Suez Canal, very important. Suez Canal. This is our India. So now there are 5 oceans. Next slide. Thanks, that's all. Now we will directly go to the PDF for looking at the question very fast. First question is related to solar energy. Ki solar DC cooking system has been developed by which organization? तो solar DC cooking system has been developed by Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute and CSIR, not by any IIT. This has been option C is the right answer. Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute and CSIR has developed solar DC cooking system. Okay, next question. In which country the first in-person leader summit already discussed? America, hosted by America. Via video conferencing, but host was America. Joe Biden was hosting that first in-person summit of Quad nations, India, Japan, Australia and America. All four are Quad nations, but it happened in America, first in-person summit. America is the right answer. Okay, next, which state's Judima rice wine has been given tag? GI tag. Assam is the right answer. The theme of World Tourism Day is tourism for inclusive growth. Growth for all. Inclusive means सबका साथ सबका विकास. Inclusive growth. Tourism for inclusive growth. What is the name of midday meal scheme? Obviously PM Poshan scheme. Midday meal means Poshan, giving Poshan. So midday meal scheme, PM Poshan scheme, also known as PM Poshan scheme. Option C. Option 6, we have all 6 already discussed. Fumiko Kishida has been become the Prime Minister of which country? So Japan. Earlier it was Shinzo Abe, then something Suda, and now Fumio Kishida. Right now Fumio Kishida is the Prime Minister of Japan. Nimaben Acharya is appointed as the first woman Speaker of Legislative Assembly. Legislative Assembly Chairman Nimaben Acharya. So Nimaben Acharya, Anandiben Patel from Gujarat. Earlier she was the Chief Minister. So Nimaben Patel, Gujarat. Use your mind, use your logic. Nimaben Acharya is the first woman Speaker of Legislative Assembly of Gujarat. Right now Chief Minister of Gujarat is Bhupendra Patel. Next question is, which among the following was awarded the Globe Oil India Lifetime Achievement Award? Founder of Ruchi Soya. Answer is Dinesh Sahara. You could have eliminated this option, Uday Kotak. No, because he is the banker, founder of Kotak Mahindra. Why he is related? Why he will be related to Globe Oil India? Dinesh Sahara is the right answer. Mumbai's Arohi Pandit. Arohi Pandit has become the world's first woman pilot to fly over which ocean? To Atlantic Ocean. Very long in length, very hard to achieve. Atlantic Ocean. Boxer Manny Pacquiao, which country? You must have read this name. Manny Pacquiao versus Floyd Mayweather Jr. Very famous fight. Manny Pacquiao is in Philippines. Right now he is doing political work. He has become a leader. Philippines, Manny Pacquiao. Also Philippines is the country which is buying BrahMos missile from India. That is also one important question. Who has been appointed as the new president of All India Management Association? To C.K. Ranganathan. Also CMD of Kelvin Care Company. C.K. Ranganathan has become the new president of All India Management Association. Which country became the first country in the world to legalize same-sex couple marriage? So Netherlands has become the first country to legalize same-sex couple. LGBTQ related question. Also Netherlands is the first country to give euthanasia made legal. Iksha Mrityu euthanasia. Netherlands has done both the things. It has become the first country to legalize same-sex couple marriage and euthanasia. In which field Dr. Kanak Saha for astronomy and astrophysics has been awarded Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award? So obviously astronomy is related to which branch of the science? Physics. So Dr. Kanak Saha is related to physics. Use your logic. Who became the first driver in the world to win the 100th Formula 1 race? Who win all the recent races? So obviously he will achieve the target of winning 100 F1 races. Lewis Hamilton. Recently given knighthood by the England Queen. Lewis Hamilton, British driver. Lewis Hamilton has become the first Formula race driver to win 100th Formula 1 race. Which states? Sojat Mehndi was given the GI tag. Oh, I have missed this tag. Sojat Mehndi is from Rajasthan. Okay, we will I will try to include in next videos. Rajasthan Sojat Mehndi has also been given GI tag. Rajasthan Sojat Mehndi. Next, 16th. Avik Sarkar has been appointed as the chairman of Press Trust of India. Air Marshal Sandeep Singh, vice chief, means second in command. Both are correct. And who is the chief of Indian Air Force right now? Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Vivek Ram Chaudhary. And Air Marshal Sandeep Singh has been appointed new vice, so both correct. Which Indian economist was recently named as member of the high level advisory group of IMF, International Monetary Fund? So earlier in Congress time, Planning Commission Deputy Chairman Montek Singh Ahluwalia has become a member of high level advisory group. Geeta Gopinath is related to World Bank. She is right now second most powerful person of World Bank. Shaktikant Das, RBI, Reserve Bank of India Chairman. Raghuram Rajan, earlier he was RBI Governor. Montek Singh Ahluwalia is very right answer. He was very powerful during Congress time. Which city got the first place in the list of 100 city of Smart City Award? So Indore and Surat got the first place in Smart City Award 2020. And in implementation, which state has got the first position? Jharkhand. Jharkhand is in implementation. And two city who has got the first prize? Indore and Surat. Which Olympic medalist is appointed as the first vice chancellor of Delhi Sports University? Karnam Malleswari, related to weightlifting. He won the medal in 2004 Olympic, perhaps. Karnam Malleswari, weightlifter, has become the first vice chancellor of Delhi Sports University. So Karnam Malleswari is the right answer. Who became the first Indian swimmer to qualify for Tokyo Olympics? Sajan Prakash, discussed in previous video. In which African country was the world's third largest diamond of 1098 carat? So situated near South Africa, Botswana. In Botswana, they have discovered 1098 carats diamond. Botswana country. Which has been recognized by the National Geographic Society as the fifth ocean of the world? Southern Ocean. Fifth ocean of the world. Southern Ocean has become the fifth ocean of the world. Mahmood Jamal was named as the first black person and Indian origin judge of which Supreme Court? So in Canada, Justin Trudeau has nominated Mahmood Jamal, Indian origin judge, in Supreme Court. Next, 24. Which app was launched by Prime Minister on International Yoga Day? 21 June. M Yoga, mobile yoga. D is the right answer. 25. Who is the first Indian player to score half centuries in both the innings of a debut test match? Obviously, she will be the youngest player, Shefali Verma of Haryana. She is like Virender Sehwag of women team. Very attacking player, Shefali Verma. Mithali Raj, very old. She can't be in recent. Jhulan Goswami, a bowler. Smriti Mandhana, no. Shefali Verma is the right answer. In his first test match, she has scored 50 in both the innings. Which of the following state government has announced a subsidy of up to 1.5 lakh for purchase of electric car? So Gujarat. In Gujarat, if you will buy electric car, then government will give 1.5 lakhs. Where India's first building made of organic bricks? IIT Hyderabad has made India's first building made of organic bricks. Bricks made without pollution. Which state has recently become the first rabies-free state in India? Very much in news. Goa. Goa has become the first rabies-free state of India. Who is the author of the recently published book It's a Wonderful Life? So Bond, Ruskin Bond has written the book It's a Wonderful Life. Other are also famous writer. Arundhati Roy's latest book is The Ministry of Utmost Happiness. Salman Rushdie's collection of essays is the recent book. And Ramchandra Guha is famous for India After Gandhi. Which song sung by Mohit Chauhan was used as Olympic theme song for the Indian contingent? So Laksh Tere Samne Hai was the theme song. What is Shenzhou 12? So Shenzhou mission is related to space mission of China. Space mission of China is named as Shenzhou. So Shenzhou 12 was related to China's manned spacecraft with man. That was Shenzhou 12. Okay, wooden satellite. Japan has become the first country to send wooden satellite. Right answer is China's main manned spacecraft mission is named as Shenzhou 12. Which statement regarding the world? Both are correct. Just read it once. Which Indian female archer became the world's #1 archer? Obviously, the most famous name, Deepika Kumari, legend of Indian archery, has won 3 medals, but sadly she does not win in Olympic Games because of pressure or whatever. So Deepika Kumari has won 3 gold medals from Jharkhand. Legend of Indian archery, Deepika Kumari. Next question, which union ministry launched the Drug Free India campaign? All the campaign and app are launched by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Drug Free India campaign, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, and the minister of this ministry, Virendra Kumar. Which state government has recently decided to end the interview process for all the recruitment in the state? No interview for all the state job. So Andhra Pradesh has become the first state to do so. YSR Reddy, who was appointed as the Central Vigilance Commissioner. So Suresh N. Patel is the right answer. Just read it once. Who became the first woman fighter pilot? So Mavia Sudan has become the first woman fighter pilot from Jammu and Kashmir. Which Indian origin female journalist was awarded the Pulitzer Prize for the year 2021? Very famous for journalism, Pulitzer Prize. Megha Rajgopalan, for his reporting on Uyghur Muslim detention in China. Megha Rajgopalan has won the Pulitzer Prize. Who recently introduced the fast and secure transmission of electronic records, FASTER system? So this has been launched by Supreme Court to give the jail the bail order, because they get late and the person get bail later. So they have decided to implement FASTER system. Also there is one system using artificial intelligence named Supace. Who became the first Indian actor to hold golden visa? Sanjay Dutt, obviously the legend and oldest name. Sanjay Dutt has got the first golden visa of WUAE, first Indian actor. Abiy Ahmed Ali was reappointed as the Prime Minister of which country? Ethiopia is the right answer. In which neighboring country's city, Adu, India's first consulate was opened? Maldives. Why this is important? Because in Maldives there is a trend of opposing Indian government. Celebrity Sundarlal Bahuguna, obviously Chipko Andolan, environmentalist, she is the right answer. Which state government has announced to give Manoj Das International Literature Award? Manoj Das is the very famous writer from Odisha. He has died in 2021. On his name, Manoj Das International Literature Award is given by Odisha state. Next question 45. Between which state water for water formula? In need, you give me water, and it's like barter system for water. So this has been implemented between Karnataka and Maharashtra. Samia Suluhu Hassan, obviously Tanzania, read many times. The theme of National Statistics Day 2021 on the birthday of PC Mahalanobis Sustainable Development Goal 2 was the theme, ending hunger. Who has been appointed as the new Principal Director General? First option, Jaideep Bhatnagar is the right answer. Where was India's first Himalayan Film Festival? Obviously, Leh, Union Territory, Leh. India's first Himalayan Film Festival, Leh, Union Territory. Where the ICC T20 Men's World Cup 2020 will be held? So, UAE and Oman. Australia won this World Cup by defeating Pakistan. And it is also the first time that India lost to Pakistan in World Cup. So this is very important. In UAE and Oman, ICC T20 happened related to cricket. Okay, that's all. We will meet in next video. Thanks. Bye bye. Take care.